Another day, another vlog. So happy that yesterday Arsenal won the match against Southampton. 3-1. You can see that she's smiling because otherwise I wouldn't drive her in Scotland. So Scotland video is probably going to be in the next video, but today we do have like some plans. We are going out to Big Ben, and come, let's explore with us. And we're gonna look for halal food also along the way, and explore the areas like Big Ben, Buckingham Palace, and yes, come join us. So the thing about London is they have a lot of these kind of buildings. So yeah, so we decided to walk. We stopped already earlier at the bus stop, but we're supposed to transfer. We thought, we got like nice buildings, so we decided to walk. Apparently, we see like all these police vehicles over here. It's because yesterday they had a protest. Right? What protest is it?
Free Palestine protest.
Yeah, it's a Free Palestine protest. So over here. But we were watching the match, so. And plus we are tourists, so just trying to keep it safe. Yeah, so we're here at the place where you see most tourists are usually at. The weather is around 12 degrees Celsius, pretty chilly. And then you guys get to see this kind of stuff where, there you go, this one. You know, the one that looks like a Singapore flyer? Yeah. Like that thing there. And then of course you have the Big Ben right here behind me. And then he's making a call to her mom right now, in which I should be calling my mom too. So we're here today now. Okay? At where?
Westminster Abbey.
Yeah, Westminster Abbey. This is what happens when we watch Downton Abbey. It's all inside. I don't know. Big Ben is just right there. It's 9:30. It chimes every 15 minutes, so you know what time. So if you guys want to eat breakfast, a quick one, then you guys can visit Pret A Manger. Apparently like most of the food there, especially like croissant and so on, it's a halal. Just don't get the one that has beef, because we were talking to like the guy at the counter. He's Muslim too. He was just saying, just don't get the beef. The beef, you know, it's all haram. And you guys can get like things like tuna or the plain ones with chocolate and that kind of stuff.
But the food also cannot, right?
Oh, is it?
White one.
Oh yeah, but please go and take a look at the ingredients, because some of the tuna has like white wine and that kind of stuff. But yeah, and I totally forgot to like record earlier because we were busy discussing about our Scotland trip, planning for like the stopover, the campsites, and the things that we need to do for the vehicle. And yeah, lupa lah nak record. If not, I would have recorded for you guys. And you can see the Pret A Manger. I just had like coffee and croissant. Yeah. Okay, so we've arrived at the Buckingham Palace, and this is where we're gonna see the change of guards. Oh, there they are. Yeah, I think they just started. Oh, it is 10:45. guys. Content Buckingham Palace. Ramai gila geng.
Oh, por eso no ramai.
Ni dah tak ramai. Just now was a lot more. We're supposed to walk that way. Where are we?
The Natural History Museum.
Okay, finally reached. This is the Natural History Museum. Right?
Yeah.
Tak boleh reenact lah. Tadi kita actually dah record sebab kita jalan salah. Jadi kita kena redo balik kita punya footage. Oh, look at that. Dinosaur bones. Look at the architecture of this building. How long do you think it takes to build something like this? Without having to Google, how long do you think? Oh, look at that. There's a dog there, right there. One of the most complete dinosaurs ever found in UK. Yeah. Wow, look at that floating thing. Feels like night at the museum. Look at that, huge mammoth. Mastodon. Food exhibition. There's like so many animals. Giraffe. See? So tall. Can I just see us if I tilt the camera? It's the blue marlin. Sorry. Yeah, it's so huge. Look at it next to the two guys over there. Take a look at the dinosaur section. Yeah. Triceratops skeleton. Up to 25 eggs were laid per nest. Dinosaur bones. Dinosaur bones everywhere. Just now we were at the dinosaur section. Now we're at the mammal section. The lion. Holy crap, there's a life-size model of a blue whale right behind us. It's huge, guys. One of the places that people always tell us to go and try is the Halal Guys. So what do I think of the Halal Guys? The reviews coming in 3, 2, 1. So we ordered the combo. Okay, I think it's delicious. For the price, I think it's really good. The chicken shawarma is nice, has a bit of flavor. The place also is nice. So if you don't know which one to pick, then pick combo because you can have both. Yeah, if you guys ever come here, then yeah, you should give it a try. What do you think? Sedap kan? Ayam dia sedap kan? Terperanjat ayam makan kan? Okay. Okay, she says okay, approved. So yesterday we actually went to the Muffin Man kitchen, but they don't allow takeout, and we just ate, right? So let me shift. Yeah, and we just ate, right? So we couldn't eat anymore. So that's why we eventually didn't order, because they don't allow takeout at the moment. So this will be the last clip. Thank you guys for watching. The next vlog onwards, it's probably not gonna be taken using this camera, this small camera that I've been bringing around. Maybe it will be it's a mixture of shots. Yeah, next one onwards is gonna be Scotland, because we are just leaving all the bags. So see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.